what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So obviously I'm in a very different area. This is my basement and I look like a mess right now because I just finished work and Cross is on his way home from work. Sorry about the lighting too. I didn't bring any of my lighting stuff down here because I didn't want it to seem like I was filming. So I'm actually gonna be pulling a prank on Cross, as you guys can see from the title. So I've had this since October and I'm finally gonna put the rest of it to use today. So I'm gonna be pranking Cross and telling him that I need his help in the basement because I usually like set up shop for the next day, the night before, and he knows that and he's helped me to set up shop. So I'm gonna ask for his help. This is my first prank. So we'll see how this goes and we're gonna just go with the flow. I really don't know how to do this. I'm so scared, I'm so nervous, I'm so excited. I've never done a prank like this before and I'm kind of nervous. Like I don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna add a bunch of blood on the floor.
Sorry to this man.
Hopefully it doesn't stain. Does it say that it stains? I don't know, I never actually read the fine print. Oh. Will stain most surfaces. Great. Well, then I'm scared to use this because I probably shouldn't create a crime scene with it.
Not yet, and never that.
Okay, I have a better idea. He's gonna come in and try and help me, and I'm just gonna start coughing, and I'm gonna put a little bit of blood in my mouth and just start coughing up blood. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm sorry, are you laughing at my proposal?
So I'm gonna go set up the camera and stay tuned for his reaction. Wish me luck, and Cross, I'm so sorry, but I love you and this is because I love you. Okay, bye.
And it's never enough.
Okay, so I just set you guys up, like really set you guys up. Lighting is shitty, don't mind the lighting. Actually, let's FaceTime Cross right now. Let me go grab my phone and see where he's at. I'm so excited. Hi. I'm setting up shop for tomorrow. What are you up to?
I'm sitting in my car admiring Ryan's new car. I think he's about to drive away. I'm going to show you the asset. What's up, baby? You want me to pick something up before I get there?
No. Actually, when you get here, can you come down into the shop?
Yeah.
Alright, just because I might need your help.
Okay.
Alright.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I'm just doing the board and filling shampoo. I'll see you soon.
Okay, I'll see you soon. I'm almost done.
He has no idea. He's fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this fake blood to mix it. Okay. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Okay. Okay. Oh my god, that's so much.
What are you, crazy?
Let me show you guys what I have set up by the tub. Here's the blood in the cap. And I'm just gonna like toss it in my mouth and just spit it everywhere. I'm actually gonna hide the evidence. Let's put it in this cubby over here. I'm gonna hide it all the way in the back so you can't see it. Yeah, perfect. So I guess now we just wait.
5 minutes later.
Oh, he's coming, he's here.
Shut up, bro.
Two very boring minutes later.
Sorry, I thought I unlocked it. What's up?
Why are you burping?
I just went upstairs to get orange juice. I was just having a coughing attack. Can you give me the blue one? Oh. No, that's not the right one. There's one thing I actually kind of need to do. Can you shut off those lights? Thanks, babe.
What? Come out of it. Oh, what the fuck? Did that come out of your mouth?
Yeah.
That came out of your mouth.
Yeah.
Oh shit, Sherlock.
Is your tongue bleeding?
No. I think I just coughed.
Yeah, no shit, honey!
What the hell?
I need a moment!
Hold on.
It's your lip.
No. Can you give me a napkin? Thanks. Thank you.
Bless your soul, do you hear me?
You just coughed it?
Ugh.
Do you feel okay?
Yeah. It was a prank.
I just saw the camera too. What is that?
It's fake blood! Remember when I bought it?
I just saw it right there. That's fucked up.
I got you!
Oh shit.
Grab the camera.
Oh. You really got my ass.
Oh, that was fucking great.
She really got my ass.
I got him good, guys. He had no idea. Is it all over?
I don't even want to look at you right now. You just scared the shit out of me.
Did you think I was dying?
Yeah! You said you just had like a coughing attack. So I was like... Crazy, I can't believe it.
I got you good. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I don't think I stained anything, so I think we're good. Besides my hand?
When I was rinsing it down, I saw like
It turning pink.
It looked pink, so I was like, that doesn't look like real blood. So that's when it clicked, and I started looking around.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I guess stay tuned for next week's video. Got you.
You did. She got me.
Team Sasha.